Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. We're here working on the boat, and right above us is the antenna. We're going to show you it's already fixed, but this was actually sliding out and falling off, and can't have that with your antenna. The good news here is we were able to fix it, so we'll show you an easy, cheap way that My Two Good Hands fixed this thing for little to no cost, because we already had what we needed. But we will put links down below to shop Amazon for the item we did use. But this is a very basic repair here, and just saved us over $100 on a brand new antenna, not to mention the 20 bucks they charge to ship it to you. So check it out. So what it was this had slid out. Now it's back in. So when they originally build these at the factory, they do epoxy that in. So guess what? We epoxied it back in. So there it is, step by step. Stay tuned, we'll show you how to do it. Well, hey, welcome back. We are out on the driveway getting ready. Next week we got to get this boat ready to go in the water, and we'll do a video on that. But look what we've got here. This worked itself out. See that? It'll come all the way out and fall. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get some epoxy on this and glue it. So that's the way it was originally. It's glued in. So it's just a matter of it got old and it let loose. So instead of spending $100 on another marine radio antenna, we're going to go fix it. So let's take you down and show you what we got to do it. So what we did was we folded up some tin foil. So we got a mixing tray. We've got ourselves a little mixer. We made that out of tin foil also. And we're going to use this Weld plastic bonding mixing stuff here. So you can see there it says 15 minutes. So we're going to get going and show you. We'll mix that up. So what's nice about this, you use it over and over, because this little tip here, you can't get it out, but it can't. It doesn't allow you to put it on the wrong way. So we can push this down. Okay, that one's coming out. Oh, there we go. So you want to push this down evenly. You get even amounts of both. Then always pull it back just a little bit. Then you got to look which way this top goes on again and turn it. That's latched. Now, it's slightly two different colors, so you mix it till you see even color. There we go. Now we'll go out to the boat. We'll get our epoxy. So we mix this up nicely. What we're going to do is pull this antenna out just a little bit. You want to make sure you don't get this on stuff. And it is windy out here. But you want to kind of get this go all the way around this. I already see it's kind of getting jelly. When we're done with this, we can just fold it like that and go to the ground. Now this, when you pull it out a little bit, you'll see that there's a slot right where the wire goes. So you'll make sure that's in there, and then kind of spin this a little like this as you push it in. And there we go. We're going to kind of take this with our fingers, kind of push it all around there, just like that. Now we're going to let that sit. We're going to wipe our hands off. Hey, thanks again for watching the My Two Good Hands video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. We got more stuff coming. The next thing we're doing is show you how we're going to summarize this boat. We got winterizing videos, but we're going to show you everything we go through before we put this boat in the water. And we'll be doing that soon. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss these videos. We will save you some money, that's for sure. So See you soon in the next video.